A lawnmower that won't start can be frustrating. But the issue is often due to a simple problem such as an empty fuel tank, a faulty ignition system, or a clogged carburetor. To troubleshoot, start by checking the fuel tank. If the mower doesn't start after 3 attempts, remove the gas cap and inspect the tank. Move the mower to see if the gas sloshes around, and consider refilling the tank if the fuel level is too low. If this doesn't work, try checking the ignition system by removing the spark plug to see if it's wet or dry. A wet plug indicates no issues, while a dry plug suggests a problem with the carburetor. Use an inline spark tester to check for a spark. Connect one end to the spark wire and the other to the muffler. Then pull the starter rope. If there's no spark, replace the spark plug. If the spark plug is dry, it may indicate a clogged carburetor, in which case it's best to take the mower to a dealer or mechanic for servicing. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your lawnmower.